All right, we're going to learn today how to take notes using our iPads. I typically do this with composition notebooks. However, with the remote learning, that's just not working out well. So we're going to transition to an all digital format from here forward. So using the Notes app, you can open it, and initially you'll see that you have folders that are on your iPad. Some of you may, if you're using iCloud in here, you may have iCloud as well. I would recommend using iCloud over on my iPad, because if something were to happen to your iPad, anything that's only on your iPad will be lost. Anything on iCloud will still be on iCloud, and when you log in on your fixed iPad or next iPad, it will be there as well. So that's definitely the way to go. Just to make things simple and not confused with all my other stuff that I already have saved, I don't have that on here right now. But as you can see, you can add a new folder on the left. So I already have computer science, English, geometry added. If I wanted to add another one like science, I could do so, and then it will fall in line right there. And you can see that there's no folders, or there's no actual notes in any of these yet. If you want to make your notes, you can just click on a new note, and then you can just make your new note. I will provide templates for notes a lot of times, so you will be able to do that. Take your notes from a template. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so from student Canvas, you're going to go to geometry, go to modules, and go to today. So you can see that the task for the day are to go ahead and do this. And you're going to watch this video, but clearly I haven't made this video yet. So you can see down here that says I'm making this video. It will be posted shortly, but the link to the notes is right here. So the notes are right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these notes and I'm going to copy them to Notes. So what I did is I hit that share button up at the top right, and I'm going to go to Notes. When it goes to Notes, I'm going to save it to, and I want to go to Geometry, and I want to save it to New Note, and I can add text to this, and I could say Unit 1 Grade Tracking, or whatever, and I'm going to hit Save. All right, so now if I go back to Notes, look at that, voila, my Unit 1 grade tracking is there. So now, if I hit this little arrow over here that's on the left-hand middle-ish side above Unit 1 grade tracking, if I hit that, that'll make the left side go away, so you can just focus on this. And then if you click in here, you will now have the markup option up on the top right. So now I can go into my grade book and I can mark this up. Now the question is, well, how do I do this so that I can do both at the same time? Well, let me show you. So if I click done here and I pull this, hold on, push and hold, there you go. You can actually make this on the side. Then I can pull this one away, actually, and I can go to Canvas right here. So now my Unit 1 tracking sheet is up here, and I'm in Canvas at the same time. Now it's in the way right now, so I'm going to go ahead and move this over. And now I'm on two sides, so this is a little bit more ideal. So I'm going to go back, actually I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go to my grades, and then I'm going to start filling this out. So on this side here, I'm going to go to markup. If you zoom in, you can say, okay, bell ringer, oops. If you do something you don't want to, just hit the undo button. 2 fingers will move. So bell ringer 81420. I can say my score is 0, and then it's missing. Okay. Now obviously this is a dummy account, so they're all missing. So you will have scores and missing assignments, probably both, and you'll want to definitely check those out. So if it's missing, put a check mark there. If it's not missing, leave it there. I wouldn't actually probably record scores that are zeros. I would say this is 10, and then I wouldn't write that over there. So I would say, like 10, 10, 10, oh, that one's missing, 8, whatever, as they go down. So you can use these and check next door that we're done. So once you're done with this, you can click done, and then you can so here's the tricky part. If you were in other programs, you could actually do this straight to it, but here you can't. But I want to share with you how to do this. So next thing is you just save this to files and choose a location. There we go. There's a location. So geometry, I already have that set up. There it goes. I've saved it. So now I can go back to the assignment here and I could submit the assignment. I'm going to get rid of this one, maybe. There we go. Alright, so the submission button is not turned on yet. I don't know why. But you would go back here, you would hit submit just like you've done other things, navigate to the button for the file that you just saved, and then you would submit it again. So that's what you do.